Folderly charges $96 per inbox per month. Instantly bundles unlimited Warmup for 60 cents per inbox at 50 mailboxes. Same job, 160 times the price spread. And there is good evidence none of it actually moves the needle. Postbox Services tested nearly every major Warmup tool in the market. Found none of them showed measurable lift in inbox placement or domain reputation. Folderly's own founder, who runs a deliverability company that sells Warmup, has said on video that Warmup tools do not work. What actually moves deliverability is upstream of any Warmup tool, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC published and aligned. Then list verification with bounce rate under 2%. Then a disciplined 4-week ramp from 5 emails a day up to your real volume. Warmup is fourth on that list. Week 1, 5 to 10 emails per inbox per day, all to verified addresses. Week 2, 15 to 25. Week 3, 30 to 50. Week 4, target volume with maintenance Warmup running indefinitely. Skip the ramp and your fresh domain gets suspended on Google Workspace within days. At 50 inboxes, Instantly's bundled Warmup costs $30 a month. Mailreach is $1,250. Folderly is $4,800. Same Warmup outcome. The bundled platforms include Warmup as a side feature. The standalone per inbox tools punish growth linearly. Most agencies that ask which Warmup tool have it backwards. If 70% of your pipeline still comes from Upwork inbound, you are choosing a deliverability stack for a problem you do not have yet. Fix your Upwork proposal reply rate first. The bigger lift is there. GigRadar runs an Upwork Business Manager that bids for your agency under our supervision. Real human review on every proposal. Most agencies we onboard reach the inbound volume where cold email becomes optional. Get your free agency audit at GigRadar.io.